What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video. Now today I'm gonna be doing a video about Plasti Dip, how it ages, and since y'all know that I'm here in Texas, it goes through a lot of heat, a lot of rain, everything. Really all the elements. Even this week it was like down to the 30s. So I'm gonna be talking about Plasti Dip and how it ages. Now a lot of people have mixed reviews about Plasti Dip. Some people absolutely hate the stuff. Some people love it. They use it. They paint their entire car using Plasti Dip, and it's cool because yeah, you can remove it and it'll be still be the same color underneath. I'm kind of on the fence. I know that you can do good jobs with Plasti Dip in an entire car, but it's just the jobs that I've seen have been iffy. Now what I do think is acceptable to Plasti Dip is small parts. Now in my car there's only two parts that are Plasti Dipped. It is the little pony emblem right up here and my rear spoiler. So those are the only two parts that are Plasti Dipped, and the only reason those are Plasti Dipped is because, for one, the spoiler, my sister, she broke my stock spoiler by lifting up right here, so it just snapped this little part in half. But luckily one of the Wildside Stangs members, Cody, who lives in San Antonio, I believe, he had a white spoiler. So yes, this spoiler right here is white, just Plasti Dip black, but he had it just sitting around, so he sent it to me for free, and I Plasti Dipped it as soon as I got it, just because I did not want a broken spoiler. Now this right here has been on here for just over a year, and honestly I'm impressed by the condition of it. Now little white areas like that, this is just wax. When I waxed my car, accidentally got a little bit on the spoiler and it didn't come off too well. I'm sure if I scrubbed it, it would come right off, but I didn't want to actually scrub it too much and have the Plasti Dip come off, so I'd have to take off the spoiler and then Plasti Dip it again. But next time I know just to be a little bit more careful. But this right here is a year old, and before somebody says something, yes, I know I have 3 dents right here. I have no idea how these formed. These were like this when I got the car. It was like this in 2015, so I'm sure the previous owners just dropped something on it. But overall, for this being a year old, I am definitely not let down by it at all. Now for the next part, it is the little pony emblem right down here. This has been Plasti Dipped for 4 years, and honestly, I know it's not in the best condition, but for it being on there for 4 years and it not being all chippy and everything, minus that little area right there, that's not bad at all, considering that this is getting all the wind in the front, rock chips and everything, bugs hitting it, getting all that bug residue all over it. So for this being 4 years old, I cannot complain. Now me, when I Plasti Dipped it, I did it the proper way. I cleaned everything. I cleaned the emblem, I cleaned the spoiler, and I put like 5 or 6 coats of Plasti Dip on there, let each coat dry for 15-20 minutes, and it did a good job. So in my experience, Plasti Dip is not bad at all for using for small parts. And like I said, some people can do an entire car with Plasti Dip. It's just the stuff I've seen has not been the best jobs, but I'm sure that there are shops out there that can do a professional job, for $3,000-$4,000, and your car will be beautiful Plasti Dipped. But for that much money, why not just go get it wrapped, and you can have some really, really cool designs in it, and it's not going to look splotchy, and you can get some crazy wraps on your cars nowadays for even like $1,500 to $2,000. But that's just my experience with Plasti Dip. Let me know what y'all think of Plasti Dip down below. Do y'all think it's acceptable to be on cars? Or, if y'all have had really good experiences, just let me know in the comments below. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.